Welcome to CJ Forex Global Online Institution. My name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex. We are going to be looking at the market analysis that will cover from 22nd of May 2023 to 26th of May 2023. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to always get our weekly market and analysis and other updates. Before we go on, I will be summarizing the benefit of being in CJ Forex Global. CJ Forex Global is a training institution. It's a Forex training institution. Our main purpose is to train you to become a successful, profitable trader. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you're an old trader. What matters is you are coming into CJ Forex to enroll into our online academy. Now, in our online academy, we offer different courses. We offer basic, intermediate, advanced, pro, apprentice, and masters. If you're a beginner or an old trader who is still not making what you want, you start from basic. But for a core beginner who have never traded before, you start from basic. But a losing trader can start from intermediate. The extent of you enrolling into this academy is to improve in your skill of trading. Is to improve in your skill of trading. So the more you advance to higher courses, the more you become a super master in this FX trading. In another way, we also offer other services to enable you to earn while you are learning. That is, we sell cash flow robots. Our cash flow robots are in different varieties, very rich and very profitable. For those of you who wish to use robots to trade so that maybe you are busy or you are scared of losing, our robot is available and is going to do the job for you, making profit for you while you relax. You don't trade, you don't do anything. All you do is to fix your account with it to start making profit for you. If you are interested, click here, go through the procedure, the requirements, then accept their terms and conditions. If you're interested, that's it. You get your robot, the type of robot. There are different types. There are 3 versions. You can get it. We also have cash flow robots. We also provide cash flow strategy. We have cash flow strategy that make consistent profit for you. Okay, we have cash flow robot and we have cash flow stuff. For those of you who need a system strategy that make good profit for you, you can get access to cash flow strategy, and then boom, you start making money for you. Especially for those of you who have been blazing in the forex trading, it's very affordable. And we also have price entering alert indicator. Many of you want to get an indicator that will be giving you alert, buy here, put your stop loss here. This indicator is what it's all about. This indicator is good for you. It's good for your signal company. You can use it to provide signal for people. You can use it to provide signal for yourself and for your family. So all you need, it will be giving you a lot. Then you buy a euro is going to buy. So place, put your buy order here, put your stop loss here, put your take profit here, TP1. That's what this thing does. And every signal it gives you is 99% accurate. We offer account management. Our account management, one of the best. If you want to get into our account management, all you have to do, you click here, you go through the procedure and then accept their terms and then subscribe for the account management. We also provide signal. For those of you who have been looking for good signal that will be making good profit for you, CJ Forex Global offers good signal for their clients. So all you have to do is to do what? Subscribe. Click here. Once you log into your client dashboard, you are going to be getting access to the Signal group. So this is what we offer. We offer the total extent of this is to tell you that CJ Forex is not a broker company. Our main purpose is to recommend good brokers. So if you need a good broker, click here. Don't forget again that CJ Forex also is on Google Play Store. You can download our app so that it will be easy for you to access all the services that CJ Forex Global offers. Let's go straight to the reason why we are here. Our main purpose is to do analysis this coming week. This week that we are entering, being this week being from 22 of May 2023 to 26. So we are looking at what we expect the market to look like. So you look at last week, if you look very well, the DXY, we are going to start with DXY dollar index. DXY, for those of you who does not know what dollar index is dollar, we use dollar index to weigh the strength of dollar against many pairs globally. Okay, so we want to know the strength of dollar index. If dollar index is rising, DXY is rising, it simply means that dollar is gaining momentum against all forex assets. If dollar index is falling, it means that US dollar is weak against other, we call it basket asset of different nations. So you use it to weigh the strength of dollar. So now what happened last week is what we are looking at. If you look very well, look at last 2 weeks, there was an increase in the strength of the DXY. It shows that the US dollar gained momentum last 2 weeks and also gained momentum, now reduced here. It reduced here because it met a resistance level. Okay, so it was rejected and you saw the rejection. So we are expecting this particular week that is going to enter, though the market will first of all go a little bit up to touch the same level where it was rejected and then start falling down. So expect dollar to be weak this coming week we are about to enter. Then let us look at Euro GBP. On Euro GBP, we still expect Euro GBP to fall down. Is falling down to this point. Okay, look at what happened last week. Yes, there was indecision from both the buyers and sellers, but we didn't see any willingness from the bulls to push the market up. And another thing is that the market was not at a strategic point where the market is going to tell you that, okay, this is the reason why this market is falling. Okay, let's look at this strategic point. This strategic point is not available. So that means that British pound is still going to fall. I mean, economy of British pound is still going to fall drastically. British is going to gain momentum against euro. So that means that euro is going to be weak this coming week, while British pound is going to fall. That's going to gain momentum. When I say fall, it means that British pound is going to gain strength against euro. Let us look at GBP USD. Since US dollar is going to be weak and British pound is going to be strong, so what are we looking at? We are expecting GBP USD to be buying. Okay, that is what we are seeing. No, look at it here. You see what happened here? There is still going to be an indecision at the support level. So we expect the market to rise and go up. Okay. So, but it will first of all show a little bit fall down. Yeah, it will fall down or so that it will gather more momentum to keep going up. So at the beginning of the week, expect to get this possible. Okay. Now it will first of all fall down before rising. Remember to enroll the CJ Forex Global Academy so that it can help you to know exactly where and how to set your entry and then look at the right spot and know how to correctly calculate your risk management. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps you to get updates on what is happening. Let's continue. US CAD. On US CAD, so we are looking at US CAD, okay? US CAD is going to fall drastically. Looking at what happened last week, you see US dollar is weak, and if you look very well, it was not able to push it up. So the market is still going to fall. It's going to fall. If you are falling, it's falling down to this place. Expect a sell this coming week on US CAD. The entry point, the setup, I'm not going to tell you how to do that. It's when you enroll into the academy. As you progress and increase in your knowledge, you say how to set or look at a certain parameter setup that need to be made before you can push into either enter or buy or set a entry point. So now US CHF, similar thing, is a falling market. So last week showed a weakness on the bullish side. So we expect this market to make a little bit bullish move and then fall down a little bit, or it's going to be it will fall down to this place. So your first TP is going to be here. So you look out for a sell opportunity. When the parameter is set up, you can then start selling. Okay, let's look at Australian USD. Australian USD is going to gain momentum in a bullish aspect. This week, US dollar is weak, so Australian USD is going to be gaining momentum. Look at what happened last week. There was a bullish present, but there was an indecision. So we expect the market to continue to go up, rise to this point or whatever, but we know that the market is going to rise to this point. So I expect a setup that will give you, I don't need to tell you the setup, I'm just giving you the market general overview that this is what will happen this coming week we are entering. Okay, so at the face of changing of market movement, it will slow down before it will start going up. That's what you should be expecting in all the asset class. Then GBP JPY is a buy market. Look at what happened last week. You can easily see that last week shows a bullish in present and bullish in present. It shows that the market is going to make a little bit fall down to this line that I said before it will go. So here is going to be your targeted TP. So expect a buy opportunity on GBP JPY. GBP CHF, the same thing, is a buy opportunity. Expect a little bit fall before you to start buying. Your TP, your first TP should be here. That is the expected buy opportunity. GBP CAD, the same thing is applicable to GBP CAD, but they are correlated. So this is what we do expect a buy opportunity, not a sell. A little bit fall down before it will start selling at the beginning of the week. On crude is going to gain momentum against US dollar. So crude is going to rise. Look at what happened last week. So we expect crude to continue making a push up on it because there is a rejection, and then this place is a very strategic point, which is a support level. Then on gold is going to buy this coming week. There was a rejection last week and a very fearful rejection. It will return back a little bit, get rejected and start rising. So expect a buy opportunity. So let's go straight to synthetic assets. On synthetic assets, to look at what happened on what will happen this week on synthetic. We are going to only focus on V75 because that's where I want to stop for this market analysis. So the general market overview on V75 is going to be a buy. Okay, look at what happened last week. Last week got rejected at a support level, and it shows exhaustion that we're expecting the market to buy. So our attack, you know what to do if it is necessary for you to start buying. There are some certain parameters that need to don't jump into the market until this point, because the synthetic market is very volatile, very, very volatile. But know that the general market overview for the week is a buy. My name is still Menku Jesse, the admin of CJ Forex. Thank you once again.